Hope y'all doing good, man. Today we got a 2018 STI with very low kilometers. Got some tasteful winter tires on this. Nice STI dual exhaust in the back. This one does have the boxer engine, so it has around 305 horsepower. Car locked on me. Got nice Recaro seats. Yeah, it's a very nice car overall. Got the nice legendary Subaru blue as well. Nice tastefully modded neon brake calipers there as well. But let's get straight into the drive, man. I'm excited. This is winter after all. It's a little snow, so we're gonna see how this all-wheel drive, you know, really works in this Winnipeg winter that we have here. Let's get straight. All right, we using the STI, so let's get straight into it, man. Put my seatbelt on, safety first. Nice red seatbelt, as y'all can see. You know, the exterior isn't the most nice, but I like the nice Alcantara on the seats and stuff on here. It's pretty solid. Got the nice aftermarket screen as well, so you got the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Start up in go in that mode right there. All right, man, let's get straight into it. Got this. This road kind of confusing, but I think I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna just follow this guy here. Seems to be knowing where you should go. Yeah, this one is the boxer engine with the turbo, so it has around 305 horsepower, full-time all-wheel drive. So it's a pretty nice winter car, I'm not gonna lie. This is a nice rally, winter-ready car. Got a decent amount of pull in it. Let's put this in sport mode, man. You can hear that turbo just the slightest bit. You can still hear it though. Still got that little downshift. So this car doesn't burble. So I'm assuming that's why these Subaru owners be cob tuning this car and everything. Now this thing moves. Let's adjust that a little bit so I can see. Don't want to be driving a car where you can't see. So far the manual gearbox in this is pretty solid. Like the downshifts are pretty easy. It's pretty easy to predict RPMs and everything. Oh, that one I got a little off actually. Stick it right here, man. Got this Chevy in front of us. Ooh, sick poles, I'm not gonna lie. That second gear pole is nice. The throttle response is actually pretty good in this vehicle. Like I put it down, second gear, it just went. It's not bad. Switch lanes. I think second gear might be the most pro-dominant gear in this vehicle. This car tripped me out when you have to reverse because you have to lift this little circle thing on the gear shifter. Took me a little bit to figure that out. Nah, this thing pulls, man. I see why people like these cars. Especially with something with low kilometers like this, 37,000 kilometers, like, maintain this thing well, man. You'll have this for a while. The clutch isn't too, the clutch is pretty nice, like the biting point's not that bad either. You kind of, like, it's my first time driving this car, and it's pretty easy to figure that. Like, I crashed this car, but it's pretty easy to figure out, like, everything about this car. It's not, like, insanely difficult to drive. For a beginner, I feel like this wouldn't be the worst car to learn on, but it's not the most forgiving for sure. Like, an SI or something like that would be so much easier to learn on than compared to this. But don't get it twisted. This is not a bad car for manual. I actually mess with it quite a lot. Steering wheel. I like the square bottom on this, it's pretty nice. Just give it a little bit of gas here. Switch lanes. mean, yeah, like, this car's pretty fun to drive. You hear that turbo too. If you put a little air intake in that, it'll probably sound beautiful, or even a blow-off valve, it'll sound good. But one thing I will say is this car feels very heavy. Like, it feels like a very, very heavy car. Like, you can tell when you drive this thing and when you kind of like turn it a little bit, like lane to lane, you can tell it's heavy. But then again, it is a all-wheel drive sedan, so. But it's stable when you drive, though. That's the good thing about it. It's very stable. Some left here. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to use this diff stuff, but for y'all that you do, comment down below. Maybe I'm just being an idiot. Never really experienced the diff stuff down here. Getting 14.8 per 100 kilometers. I mean, it doesn't help the way I drive, so you could probably get decent gas mileage in this car. Like, it wouldn't be the worst. Just depends on how you drive, for sure. I like how there's like a little screen up there too. That's pretty dope. I mean, overall, I'll give this rating like a 7 out of 10 for this car. It's pretty good at what it does. It's an all-wheel drive sedan manual, so pretty engaging. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty fast as well. It's pretty fast. You just gotta get in the right RPM. I believe there is a little bit of turbo lag. That was a good, nice, crispy downshift there. But yeah, that should conclude the end of this video. I appreciate y'all tuning in. You know, subscribe, comment, like. As the season gets a little better, I'm gonna be dropping a little bit more, but yeah, man, I appreciate y'all, man.